muddy car. Look at this. Let's go. We are going to clean them up, my friend. See the basket? Alright, let's go. Okay. Yes, it is. So nice, my friend. Look at this, beautiful. I like it. Let's go. Take one by one, my friend. Alright. Oh my gosh, looks so nice, my friend. Look at this. See? So muddy here. No problem, my friend. Let's go. Alright. One more. Okay. Look at this water, my friend. Fresh water. Look at this. A nice car, my friend. Amazing. Wow. And about this one. See? Alright. Nice. Look at this, my friend. Oh, the blue one.
Hey, boys, stay with me. And Flo, what'll happen if no one can come to your station to buy gas?
I'll go out of business.
I like colors blue. Very good. Amazing, my friend. What about this one? This is could be tire, my friend. Let's see. Wow. Yes, it is.
Pat!
Tile!
What's going on?
Over there.
Huh?
The blue one. Okay. Alright. Let's check this out, my friend. What is it? Yellow one. Ramirez. Wow. Very good.
Not too public. If the press find you, they will be like many bugs on...
Ramirez. Nice. Oh, I see. This is Jackson Talk, my friend.
Where'd all your friends go? Final check of his tire.
Already. See? Good.
In 27th place, and the last car on the lead lap at the moment, and Labonte went around off turn number 4. And
Very nice car. Alright. What is this? Woohoo! Red one. Ready car.
Scored 10 wins at his home event.
I'm a bit emotional about that. It's an amazing achievement.
Okay. Nice color.
Hey, I gotta get to California pronto. Where's your lawyer? I don't know. Tahiti, maybe.
Nice color. You know what it is? Lighting green, my friend. Okay. Nice. Alright. What about this, my friend? Woohoo, Sheriff.
What are you doing here, son? You're gonna miss your race. Don't worry. I'll give you a police escort and we'll make up the time.
Hello, Sheriff. Alright, clean. What this one, my friend? Oh, I see. This is the fire rescue. Okay, no problem. Clean already. This one is the Molen truck. Nice. Amazing, my friend. This is a little train of Thomas.
Oh, the indignity! Which pongy engine is in charge here?
Hello, Thomas. Okay. How about this one, my friend? See? Here, muddy. Let's clean up. Oh, double cabin. So good, my friend. Wow. Wow, this is the big one, my friend. What is this? Check this out, my friend. Oh my god. Hello, me queen. Alright. Okay, how about this one? Oh man. Excavator. Hello, Excavator. Okay, good. And this one is a blue one, rally car. Okay. Alright. Next, tayo.
Are you trying to protect the culprit?
No, I'm not.
Green. Okay. This is kind of truck, my friend. See? Dump truck. Alright. Well, this one, rally car, I'm sure. Check this out, rally car, my friend. Nice. Alright, how about this? Oh, plane, my friend. Okay. This one is a police car. Alright. Well, how about this one, my friend? Well, dump truck. Very nice. Okay. This one is a crocodile, my friend. Watch out, my friend. Dangerous. Okay. This one is a tayo.
Took it, didn't you?
What? No, why would I?
What do you mean, why? You were jealous?
Nice. Alright, how about this? Well, cool, my friend. See? Okay. And this one is a loader. Okay. Nice. Nice. Get this, friend. Amazing. Jeep. Wow. Beautiful Jeep. This one kind of a snow tractor. Wow. Very good. Okay. This one is a drag race.
71.4, but we watched this guy go down a racetrack, the nitrous engine, all those kits.
At the machine. Very nice. The last one is a kind of a rally car. See? Alright, done, my friend. Finished already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bye bye.